Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in our shop today, looking at a project. We build these all over and over again. It's almost a standard product for us, and we've built them for years and years, and that's a match code box. And you take one or two fixed mount barcode readers, and you tie them in with a controls box. It's got a visual and usually an audible indicator as well. And you make sure that the right product is going down the line. And you also make sure that the barcodes are present and readable on your product. And this could be anything. This could be automotive, consumer products, all kinds of applications for match code. And we've kind of perfected this little setup over the years. And Jake is building, you've built 10 or 12 of these this year. You've built a bunch of them. So Jake is building another one. We wanted to kind of spend a little bit of time showing you how this works, what it does, where you might be able to use it in your operations. And Jake, you've got two Cognex cameras here. And you're kind of simulating top and bottom in this application, yep. But you've got two boxes on the conveyor and you've got two cameras. And again, pretending in our shop on our demo conveyor that we're doing top and bottom. And then tell us a little bit about how this works, and then let's take a look at it.
So since this box has two cameras on it, it's got the ability to, you can toggle just the top or the bottom, or you can do both.
Got it. You've got that selector switch, and then you've got the teach and the reset button on there. So teach says I push the button, I run a barcode under there, it now knows that's the master barcode. And reset is forget that one, we're going to do another one. Is that right?
No,
that's to reset the alarm.
Yeah, if there's a bad barcode.
Nice.
Or a no read. Yeah,
okay, very good.
Reset to clear.
Cool. And then this is just the Cognex display that we're building into our panel. Why don't you go ahead and open the box, Jake, and show them what's inside of there, and then we'll actually run the conveyor. Yeah, so you've got in here, you've got an actual PLC, right? And
yep.
what's the PLC doing?
That is controlling the stack light. It takes in the logic for the
all
switch,
the buttons and everything else.
Yep.
The match is being done in the scanner itself, though, right? Yes. You tell the scanner through your PLC, through all this, hey, here's your new master, and that match is done in the camera, and it gives you the feedback then that you use to light the light.
Yep.
Okay, great. Does this one have audible or no audible?
No audible.
Okay, but we have built them with audible before. Just a matter of having the stack light with the beeper on it. Yeah. And then just a power supply to power everything, and just all the interface cabling that you need for that.
Yep.
Okay, beautiful. You might want to close that up so it doesn't come back open. Since you carry keys, good on you. Okay, cool. And then you're going to show how this works. Camera probably won't be able to see this very well, but we'll be able to see what the display is showing.
Yeah, so I've already taught these barcodes, so that it should pass. You'll get a green,
great.
flash when they go through.
Nice. Saw them both read. See the two on the display. You got the green light.
Yep.
Cool.
So if I bring them back through backwards, it's going to be a no read where there's no barcode.
Gotcha, because they'll already be passed when they get to the sensor. Yeah. Nice, funny.
So
okay.
You get the red light.
Yeah, so there's nothing there. So, and we didn't mention this, but you have a photo eye, you have a product detector on here. So it sees the product going by, and it reads the codes. And again, 1 to 2 fault conditions. You're running the wrong product or the wrong labels, or you're marking the parts wrong, or B, the barcodes aren't readable. And I know on some of these we've done in the past, we'll actually have it to where a no read will let 1 or 2 go by, because sometimes you'll miss one if the products are going really fast. But if you see 4 no reads in a row, it's like, okay, now we got a problem, let's shut it down.
Yep. Yeah, and that logic's built in. It's set to 0 because that's how this customer likes it. But yeah,
beautiful.
It's easy to change.
So do we have to hit reset then on the button?
Yeah. So hit this reset button.
That'll go back to green. So ideally, an operator came over, inspected to see what's going on, and then reset it. Now you're going to run it again.
Yeah. So now the barcodes are switched. So it's going to fail again, but you'll see
the barcode's red.
Scan them. There's a red box around it, and it's just the wrong barcode.
Got it. Yeah. And the barcodes show up on the screen. Looks like it read, but to your point, read the wrong barcodes. Yep. Right. So the product's upside down, or somebody's flipped the barcodes onto the wrong place. Perfect. Okay, again, just kind of set up in our shop just for presentation demonstration here. This actually goes into a production line. it all gets mounted onto a conveyance and is actually inspecting the real life product that the customer is producing. And again, seeing these match code boxes go into just all kinds of applications over the years. So we can build them for you. EMPtechgroup.com, always a place to find us.